guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 3 divided by 1 over 3 times 3. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve this math expression from left to right. And according to the rules of mathematics KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 1 over 3, 3 over 1, and times 3. As we know, when we have more than one multiplication in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. Now, we have 3 times 3 times 3. That gives us 27. The final answer is 27. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.